Hey, what's up, XRP Ripple coin holders? How are you? My friends, you will be very surprised after watching this video. So keep watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. It is time the XRP start pumping. The price is going to the moon. My friends, now the people are angry to the XRP Ripple coin, that what's going on in the XRP. The pricing is negative. So what should we do this time? The last 1 hour pricing is negative. Last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole chain is occur in the XRP is negative. So what is the surprise news, my friends? Believe me, you will be feel very happy after watching this video, my friends. You have to keep watch. At this time, the latest price of XRP is 0.85528 USD dollar is the latest price of the XRP, and the price change, as I told you, that completely going negative from the previous last 2 days. You can see, my friends, at this time the price of the XRP is going down. That is the last 3 days price chart of the XRP. So my friends, the surprise news is that you already know about this news, my friends. After a falls, there is a jump. That is the common cryptocurrency rules. After a falls, there is a jump, and the XRP Ripple coin is completely falls down from the last 2 days. And now tomorrow, my friends, tomorrow there is a chances to the price pump. Tomorrow there is a chance to the price will pump, and absolutely that's a great surprise news for all XRP Ripple holders, that after falls the XRP start pumping. So absolutely that's a good news. I'm very happy after watching the XRP pump. So wait for it, my friends. You have to patient, my friends. You have to wait. If you wait, you will get profit, and if you not wait, nothing you will get in the future. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about XRP? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe. Always take channel for more news and updates videos.